Yoga class number 147, Zen Yoga, a fusion between standing yoga poses, Tai Chi and qigong. This is your sneak peek into the live stream room at the guest bungalow. Live stream yoga was not scheduled as usual on Friday from 12 to 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This week was a pop-up experience to ensure that I could have a beautiful backdrop and wonderful Wi-Fi on my travels to the West Coast. So I'd like to invite you to do my favorite pose within the sequence that was offered today. It was an hour and a half. I went over 30 minutes and I was just feeling the energy, vibing on the West Coast, and just really wanted class to be longer. I wasn't in the mood to hit the finished recording button. If you're interested in the entire experience, make your way on over to theguestbungalow.com and enter the live stream room. It's available on demand now and forever. I am going to walk you through one pose, being goddess. Always honor your body. Do only what feels right to you. We're going to come to a wide stance. And you're going to turn your toes out a little bit for a squat. Sink your hips, bend your knees, and you're going to bend your elbows, sending your fingertips up towards the sunshine. Feeling strong and powerful as a goddess. And in this posture, I love to add a little spice. So let's do some rotations at the elbows. Allow the fingertips to go down towards the ground. And then pop back up towards the sun. You can also adjust your hands together, sending them all down towards the ground and them all back up towards the sky. Down and up. Down and up. Now I want you to straighten your legs and come to prayer pose overhead. Feel as though you're being lifted up by your wrists, and then bend the elbows, the knees, dropping back into your goddess. Going up and down, up and down. Inhaling to the count of 6, exhaling to the count of 6. Inhaling in one direction and exhaling in the other. Feel the beautiful stretch in the belly as you're being pulled up towards the sunshine. And straighten your legs, dropping that prayer pose to your heart. Thank you for being here with me. I do hope you enjoy the rest of your day and that the guest bungalow serves you well. Until we can meet again. Ciao. Don't forget to stretch. Visit theguestbungalow.com today. We're open 24/7. Visit and stay for as long as you'd like. For ongoing inspiration, follow us across social media.